When switching from Spectrum Mobile to a new carrier, you can keep your existing phone number through a process called porting out. This transfers your number from Spectrum to your new provider while maintaining the same phone number you've always used. As of 2025, Spectrum Mobile has streamlined their port out process. The transfer typically takes between 1 to 4 business days, with most numbers transferring successfully within 24 to 48 hours. Before starting the port-out process, you need to gather 4 essential pieces of information from your Spectrum Mobile account. Having this information ready will ensure a smooth and quick transfer. You can find this information in several places. Your billing statements contain your account number and other details. The My Spectrum app and website also provide easy access to your account information. If you have trouble locating any of these details, you can contact Spectrum customer service at 1-855-707-7328. Their representatives can help you retrieve your account information and assist with any questions about the port-out process. Here's the most important rule. Never cancel your Spectrum Mobile service before initiating the port with your new carrier. Canceling early will release your phone number permanently, making it impossible to transfer to your new provider. The port-out process follows a specific sequence. First, you gather your Spectrum account information. Then, you provide this information to your new carrier who initiates the transfer request. Spectrum validates the information and processes the transfer, after which your number moves to the new carrier. Remember these key points for a successful port-out. Gather all required account information beforehand. Use official Spectrum channels to find your details. Contact customer service if needed. And most importantly, keep your Spectrum service active until the port is completely finished. Once you have gathered your Spectrum Mobile account information, the next step is to provide this information to your new wireless carrier to initiate the port request. Your new carrier will then submit the port request to Spectrum for validation and processing. This is where Spectrum verifies that all the information matches their records exactly. One of the most common challenges customers face is the account PIN. Many people don't remember setting up a PIN when they first got their Spectrum Mobile service. Fortunately, there are common default PIN patterns that Spectrum uses. The PIN is often the last 4 digits of the account holder's social security number, or it might be the account holder's birth year. Another common source of confusion is the account number. Your Spectrum Mobile account number is different from your internet or TV account number. The mobile account number is typically longer with 12 to 13 digits. During the port process, you should receive confirmation from both carriers as the transfer progresses. The typical timeline is 1 to 4 business days, with most transfers completing within 24 to 48 hours. To prevent delays and ensure a smooth port process, follow these best practices. Make sure your account is in good standing with no past due amounts, and initiate the port during business hours for faster processing. After your number successfully transfers to the new carrier, your Spectrum Mobile service for that line will automatically cancel. You'll receive a final bill for any remaining charges, including prorated service fees and any outstanding device payments. Remember, preparation is absolutely critical. Having accurate account information prevents 80% of port-out delays. Never cancel your Spectrum service before the port is complete, as this will release your phone number permanently.